Here's some tips for when you're rolling out your legs on the foam roller for the position of your low back and your neck and shoulders. And most of the time we don't realize when we're doing it. So the main thing is you kind of want to be in a plank position while you're rolling out. And sometimes, without realizing it, get really tight in the shoulders and the neck kind of shrinks in, and that's a little less comfortable while you're rolling out. So you want to push away from the mat to get that lift and create a little space here as well. And then the other thing is to keep a little bit of abdominal engagement to lift yourself up, as opposed to just relaxing the abdominals, letting the low back go into a big arch while you're doing your leg rolling. Usually it's a little more comfortable to lift up through the abdomen, or thinking of your abdominals, or thinking of the back alignment, however you want to think about it, but lifting the rest of the torso back into that alignment.